Oh my fucking god. So that giant tree came down, hit the corner of the house and crossed the back of the car. Probably not too severely, but obviously some severe damage. Fucking hell. Well, there you go. No insurance. Yeah, the bloody storm came out of nowhere. Crazy. The trees came down over that corner of the house. Fuck. Water's pissing out everywhere. Oh my god, this is mad. I gotta get back in the house. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking hell. This is just terrifying. Oh my god, something is smashed in the garage door by the looks of it. Yeah. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Oh well. Fucking hell. Fuck. Okay. And this is where that tree from the front's come down onto the house here and got the back. Oh, it looks like it's got it even more, yeah. Another one's come down. So I've got the back of the car, copped the back of the car and the house. So that's two come down. Because that one there came down just before and now this one snapped down. So two, one after the other, have come down and whacked the house. My god. And I've just noticed that it's also bent the flue on the wood heater, so it must have knocked the chimney as well. Oh my god. Just come outside, there's loads of branches down on the garden. Yeah, that's the trees onto the house. I'm hoping that I'm safe. Oh yeah, car's fucked. Oh shit, she's fucked. My god. I'm outside now. It seems to have calmed a bit, and yeah, the garage is also completely mangled, completely all mangled up. So this is a disaster. Oh my god, yeah, trees come right through the garage. So the garage is crushed. It's a goner. Absolutely a goner. And that's all the tree shit that's came down on the house. I haven't been able to go and have a proper look. I'm scared to get in case it's unstable. But you can see that my chimney's out of whack there. This is not a good vantage point. But yeah, so garage fucked as well. My god. So that's just looking down my driveway, so I've got no driveway access there. You can probably just see the garage through there. It's a bit of a mangled mess. And carport here, branches up on top of there. And then unfortunately no access through to the house from this point. I'd be a bit scared to even try and find my way under in case this all slips and crushes me, because this is a very big tree. So that's madness. And this is my gravel driveway. And as you can see, of course, those two main trees that snapped off straight through here, crushed the car. And as you can see here now, of course, just more and more branches down everywhere, right across. Yep. Wow. Okay, roof view. This is pretty bad. It smashed down the solar panels. That's scary because they were on very strong frames. So I'm hoping that hasn't torn the roofing material. It probably has. This is not looking good. And this is how much tree is onto the house. So it's actually quite lucky that these two tall trees, like that was my biggest one at the front, snapped quite high up, and that one too, they snapped high rather than, hinging from the bottom. If they'd have hinged from the bottom, they would have actually got the house even worse. But so it's the tops have snapped off. Well, not the tops, but a good part, more than the top, more than 50% snapped off, and then come down, crashed the car, and got here. So it's a bit spooky, but could have been way worse. And so many people are in the shit, even just locally. One lady was in her carport and a tree came down and she got trapped in there. Don't know if she's okay. Ambos were there for quite a while trying to get her out. Trying to clear a way through to get towards the carport. So far I've just pulled all these branches off. I've just got to keep chipping away, try and find, get a way through here. A few more, almost made a way through, but it's a little bit scary. And you can probably see up here that tree's got two upside down canopies there, just hanging, waiting to fall off. And this one has lost that big branch off to the left. It's reaching way out there. That's got to fall off. Madness. Still trying to clear my way through here. Getting there. I can actually... Scary. I can actually get through now. Just. Very scary. Wow. Yep. Crazy ass shit. So all this debris here I've just been pulling off from here so that I can actually find my way through. There's one of the solar lights from the structure. Sadly there's mains cabling all down here, so this is even going to be a nightmare when I get reconnected, because I've got a lot of electrical system damage, especially with the, not just here, if you look at all the cabling here, but also the garage being crushed over there is definitely going to be a disaster too. So this is one of those situations where I'm like, what the fuck am I going to do? There's my driveway, no access, and there's the looking through to the side of the garage. Yep. And at the front, it's actually all crushed right in at the middle, right further down. So yeah, she ain't good. Ain't good at all. So total madness. Wow, wow, wow. Carport roof only copped a small branch there. I've still got some more debris to move. That's just going to be burnt off in due course. But I've cleared the majority of the tree debris. Of course there is more to come. I'm waiting for these hangers to fall. It's all upside down there. And so yesterday and today I've been dragging all the tree debris down to the roadside, in the hope that the council will send along a chipper and get rid of it all for everyone. So it's a pretty huge pile of tree debris, almost the entire length of my block of land. It just goes on and on and on and on and on and on. It's crazy. So I'll just jump down the driveway now. Yeah. So load here. Yeah. There you go. Madness.